Hello and welcome back to another week of What Did I Make This Week? It's Wednesday, February 25th, I believe. I didn't come on here last week because I honestly didn't have anything made. So this is truly what I made over the last week. So let's take a look at it. All of the patterns, if they're available, I will link down below. So if you're interested in making any of the things that I made this week, you can find all that information down below. Because I didn't know what I wanted to make, but I wanted to make something, I decided to make cat ear beanie hats. Those are so quick, they're easy, they're all double crochet, they're made in the round the way that I do them, and so there's no seaming at the end. You just sew across the top or single crochet across the top, sew those ends all in, and you've got your hat. I made 3, and I did them in different colors. So we've got one in a gray and a yellow, we've got one in a green and a gray, and a blue and a gray. So I make them extra long, so then they have a nice folded up brim at the end, but you can always just make them without the brim. It's a few less rows, so if you're in a super hurry, you can always do that. So I made 3 cat ear beanie hats. I think I'm going to add a charm to them somewhere, maybe some sort of colorful charm or something. I kind of wanted to make one in all of the colors, so I still have a few more that I want to make. Didn't get around to it because I started a knit hat. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I held 2 strands together, so one was this sort of variegated party kind of really colorful rainbowy type yarn. And I held that together with just a simple, straight, white yarn. And you get something that looks like this. It's got a little bit of striping, which I don't hate. I like that. There's the top. And I've got my folded up brim. So I love how this came out. It took me a little bit longer to finish than I would have liked, just because I didn't work on it constantly. I didn't start it and finish it all in one go. I set it down, did something else, picked it back up, but I absolutely love this. I don't think that I have enough yarn to make a second one in this variegated color, but I do have other variegated yarn where the color change is very quick that I might try this with. So if you have a lot of variegated yarn, because sometimes we buy things because they're so pretty and they look so nice, but it's really hard to find a good project or a good use for them once we bring them home. So if you do have variegated yarns like this with the really quick color changes, this might be a good idea. Hold it together with a color that kind of goes, or even like just a white, a gray, a black, depending on the variegated that you have, and you'll get a really nice, interesting knit hat. So that was what I worked on. I had hats galore. I was in a hat mood, I guess. After I finished that hat, actually, it was probably before I finished that knit hat, I wanted something quick. We were watching the Olympics over the last week, and I needed something in my hands to do as we were watching. But I didn't really want anything too complicated. I was too into paying attention to the TV and the events. So I did a little mesh market type bag. This is 100% cotton yarn. I believe the color is denim, I think, but it's sort of, again, it's kind of a variegated because you can see all those different hues of blue, but I just love how this one came out too. Blue is probably my favorite color. I say probably. Blue is my favorite color, so I absolutely love this. It's a really quick, easy make. I think probably the time spent doing the straps takes the longest because they're all single crochets. The actual mesh part is just chain 5, chain 5, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet. So it works up really fast. So I got this done, I think, in one day. If it wasn't one day, it was like a night, and I finished it up the next morning. Super fast. I was on a cotton kick at this point. I wanted something easy. I didn't want to do another market bag or mesh bag or anything like that, but I wanted to work with cotton. Besides the denim, I had other hues or other colorways that were the same. I think I had some cones, and I wanted to start using them. These I have not woven in the ends yet, but I made some coasters. Really cute, simple coaster with a nice scalloped edge. So this was one colorway that I had, and I don't know what the colorway is because this was a cotton yarn that I got in bulk without the label. So we've got 4 of these. I had to do one in the blue as well. So I've got 4 in the blue. And it's funny because these are a little bit bigger than these. So these are the last ones that I made. And I think I used a smaller hook. These 2, and don't you just love that pink? These 2 I made before, and I think I used a bigger hook. And then I didn't keep track of what hook I used. Anyway, these are a little bit bigger, and like I said, excuse all of the little ends here because they're all over the place. I just love that pink color too. So we've got pink, blue, in sort of a large coaster size. And then I've got the teal green hues in just a slightly smaller size. But I just love all those colors. So again, another great thing to use when you've got the variegated type yarns. Make some coasters. And that is it. We've got hats and a mesh market bag, along with some coasters. So while I wasn't super productive, I definitely did get a little something done. So this is short, sweet, to the point. I will link all of these patterns down below, so if you're interested in making any of them, check those out down below. Let me know what you made this week in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.